हेलो बच्चों, आज की केमिस्ट्री की क्लास में मैं आपको SN1 रिएक्शन के बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ। तो प्लीज़ यू लिसन वेरी केयरफुली बिकॉज दिस रिएक्शन इज वेरी यूजफुल फॉर योर क्लास 12th नीट एंड JEE एग्जामिनेशन. Now see here, nucleophilic substitution reaction divided into two categories: bimolecular reaction, unimolecular reaction. Bimolecular reaction denoted by SN2, unimolecular reaction denoted by SN1. Now see here, the full form of the S is a substitution. Here is a color is a given, and the nucleophilic, you know that having the electron density or electron rich atom or group of the atom in the form of the lone pair or minus charge. Reaction kinetics means order of reaction. So this one stand that this is the belong from the or follow the first order of the reaction, and this will follow the second order of. सबसे पहले आप देखिए न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. सो दीज आर द सम इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. दिस इज द सेकंड पॉइंट and this is the reaction. R is a alkyl group, X is a halogen, Nu is a nucleophile. Here X and nucleophile both having the minus sign, but this will be powerful than X. That is why this nucleophile replace the X from here, and from the this compound eliminated to the X minus, and may follow this reaction may follow SN2 reaction, SN1 reaction mechanism, and nature of the reaction depends upon the nature of the substrate. Reagent means attacking reagent, reaction condition, and this is the nucleophile means this reagent or substance having the electron density either in the form of the minus or the lone pair of electron. See here SN1 mechanism. Here is a full form is given: substitution, nucleophilic, unimolecular. Substitution means S, nucleophilic means N, unimolecular means first order of the reaction. And now see the condition. So these are the some important condition will favor to the SN1 reaction with neutral or weak nucleophile. So now see here, the water or alcohol or amine, these are the weak nucleophile. So these nucleophile favor to the SN1 reaction, and there is a one example here is a given. This is the 3 degree of alkyl halide. This is the water which produces the OH minus ion, which is a nucleophile, and replace the X from here and form the tertiary alcohol and hydrogen halide. Here some more information about the SN mechanism. Unimolecular reactions, actually its rate depends on concentration of the one species means one reagent. That is why rate is equal to K into concentration of the Rx. So it will be the first order of the reaction. Depends on alkyl halide and not nucleophile, and it is completed by the two steps. The first step is a slow or determination steps, and second step is a very fast steps. Means for completing the first step it take the time, and for second it doesn't take the time. See here, SN1 reaction completed into two steps. In step 1 there is a dissociation take place, यानी कि bond between the carbon and halogen will break and form the carbocation. You know, this carbocation is unstable. Comparatively this is the stable. That is why from stable to unstable reaction will be slow. And in step second, see here, this is the reactive species. Because of the carbocation, this carbon having only the 6 electron in the valence shell. It is a powerful electrophile, and this is also reacting species. That is why they combine and form this compound. This is the take place very fast. See here, SN1 mechanism. An example, this is the tertiary alkyl halide and this is the water, which is produces the nucleophile and form this alcohol and HBr. And now see the experimental fact. When doubling substance concentrations, rate of the reaction also become the double. But if doubling the nucleophile concentration, rate of the reaction unchanged. That is why we can say that rate of the reaction directly proportional concentration of the alkyl halide. Now see the first point, and therefore we can express these equations in form of this rate is equal to K into concentration of the alkyl. Now see here the graphical representations between reaction coordinate and the potential energy. यहाँ आप देखिए ये अल्काइल हैलाइड है, डिसोसिएट होकर के कार्बोकेटायन बना, और दिस इज द वाटर, you know, having the oxygen lone pair of electron. So this will donate to this carbocation and form this intermediate. Thereafter this oxygen gain this bond pair of electron and release the water, and in place of this here is a OH is attached to this carbon atom in place of the halogen. So this is the reaction in which Br is substituted by the OH of the water. And now see here graphical representation. This is the transition 1 from steps 1. This is the 2 from step 2. Finally product is a form here. Now see here about the carbocation. तो आपको बता दें कि कार्बन when carry charge positive known as carbocation or carbonium ion. This is the very reactive intermediate species because of this carbon having only the 6 electron in the valence shell, यानी 8 से octet से 2 कम है. It is a positively charged carbon, and hybridizations here will be in this carbon will be sp2. That is why structure will be triangular and the planar, and bond angle will be 120 degree. And now see here, this is the stability of the carbocation. This is a methyl carbocation, ethyl carbocation, and isopropyl carbocation, and this is the tertiary isobutyl carbocation. The stability directly proportional alkyl group, size of the alkyl group are directly proportional the branch of the alkyl group. यानी alkyl group में जितना ही ज़्यादा ब्रांच होगी वह उतना ही ज़्यादा स्टेबल है. That is why this is the more stable. See here the order, then this, then see the order, then this, and this is the very unstable. Finally, you see here about the carbocation. This is the planar. Nucleophile can attack from both sides. Yani this is the carbocation, and the nucleophile can attack from this side or this side. That is why product is a form racemic mixture. Yani D isomer and L isomer. Both compounds will form here, and the rate depends on the stability of the carbocation. So for SN1 reaction, reactivity of the alkyl halide will be 3 degree more reactive than 2 degree than 1 degree toward the SN1 mechanism. And now see here, resonance stabilize the carbocation's favor. Thank you.